how to use Sendit on Snapchat. So go ahead and open the Sendit application first. And then here, if you don't have an account yet, enter your age, click on the Let's Go button, and you will then be directed into the Snapchat application. So here, what we have to do is to simply click on continue. And as you can see, your Snapchat username and Bitmoji will then be accessed and connected by Sendit. So if you're okay with that, then just confirm it. Now, once your Sendit and Snapchat application or Snapchat account is connected, you will be back to the Sendit application. And this box, this blue box that says ask me anything, this will be the one that's like a sticker like that will be displayed once you share it on Snapchat. As you can see, there are other effects here as well which you can play around with. So just browse in here and check if you have something that you want to ask your Snapmates. You can edit this question like what's your favorite color, or it could be any question that you want, or you can also use the dice icon. This will show you AI generated questions that you can use and share to Snapchat, or you can also click on the fire icon. This dice icon will show you trending questions, usually from famous users, and then you can also use them. And you can also edit the font and the text and your background. So once you're done, simply click on share, the share button, and then the prompt will then be displayed on your camera. So take a photo or a video and then send it to your Snapchat. Or you can also post it on your story. And then from here, any viewer of your story or your snap could ask questions to send to your Sendit. So that is how to use Sendit on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.